Hello everyone, have you got a Toyota Auris where the horn doesn't work or intermittently works? Well, there's two things you can do. Usually it's the connector that's at fault and it just needs a little bit of an easy free fix, or it will be the squib. So in this video I'll show you how to sort out the connector. But first and foremost, what we need to do is disconnect the negative cable on the battery. What I meant was the negative terminal. So here it is. So I've taken the negative terminal off there, and it's literally a 10mm spanner that you need to get that off. So once that's done, we can get on with the real job. So the first thing we need to do is, you see, I hope you can see, let me try and get the camera, can you see that there? So you need to take a small screwdriver and poke it in there, and then you've got the same on this side, just there. So you poke in there, is a little spring that holds the airbag. So once you poke that, the airbag should just come off, and then you can disconnect it. So I'm just going to do that now. So there you have it, I've popped it out. So what I've done is I've used this flathead and I've literally just put it in there. As you can see, there's that spring, and as you're pressing it, just with the other hand, just pull it towards you and it pops out, and you do the same on this side and it should end up like this. Then on the other side, there you have it. So there's the airbag connection, there's the horn connection, and this is the earthing connection that touches there. And so what you need to do, see there, you need to just clean that up. So I'm just gonna take this flathead and just scrape this. I'm just gonna scrape this. It looks like someone's done it before. So I'm gonna scrape this and give a clean connection, and that, when it connects onto that, should make the horn work really nicely. And if after that it doesn't work, then it's the squib which is behind there, and to get to that, obviously we have to disconnect this, disconnect the horn, and then undo that bolt there. It looks like a 19mm. So undo that, and I'll show that in a separate video. But if you do this first, this is a free fix, and see if that helps. Here's a free tip for you when you are doing this. I forgot and I closed the boot. The only problem is that boot is electronic. Now it won't open because obviously I've disconnected the battery. The only way around it now is I have to crawl into the back here and try and reach it. There you go. Got the rear seats down, and I can just about reach the negative connection. Here we go. You can watch me make a fool of myself. So don't need to get it on tight, I just need it enough to get the power back onto the car. So that I press the unlock button now. There we go. Can go into the boot without smacking my head like I just didn't. Hold on. Here we go. There you have it. Now I need to just tighten this up, check that the horn's working, and we'll be good to go. Okay, moment of truth, let's turn the car on. Make sure there's no signs there. Oh, there we go. Car's ready now. It's a good sign, no warning lights. Let's turn it and things like that. Excuse me, here we go. There we go, working nicely. So hopefully that trick works, and if it doesn't, I'm gonna have to change the squib.